or mole fraction or percentage by weight. One of them is normality, which is not given in your textbook. So normality is very most important, so I am explaining it. Then the question is what is normality? So I have written one equation. 1 liter of solution, 1 liter of solution prepared by weight of equivalent weight of substance in gram. 1 liter solution is prepared by equivalent weight of substance in gram. 1 liter solution is prepared by equivalent weight in gram of substance. That is the normality. Example is also given. I have written over here. So the formula is what? Normality equal to weight of solute in grams upon equivalent weight into volume of solution in liter. If you are given volume of solution in ml, milliliter, then you must convert into liter. That is the formula. If formula is given in liter, we must use unit liter when we are calculating any sum. Then you have one question, what is the equivalent weight? So substance may be acid or substance may be base. If it is acid, then equivalent weight of acid having one formula, molecular weight of acid upon basicity of acid. Suppose we are having acid HCl. So basicity of HCl means acid is to be said H. Number of H is 1. So basicity of HCl is 1. Suppose we are having H2SO4. This is also acid. So basicity of acid is related to number of H present in acid. There are 2 H present, so basicity of H2SO4 is 2. Suppose we are having H3PO4. Then there are 3 numbers of hydrogen. Basicity of phosphoric acid is 3. Not it is directly related to number of H. There is one calculation, there is one formula. How many H is related to bonding with O, that will calculate the basicity of acid. So this example having 3H but H3PO4 having not basicity 3. We will understand in next lecture. These 2 example is proper. So we are having normality. Same way equivalent of base means molecular weight of base upon acidity of base. Suppose we are having NaOH. NaOH is the base. Then acidity of base is number of OH. In NaOH, one OH present, then the basicity of acidity of base is 1. Suppose we are having example CaOH twice. This is base. Acidity of base is number of OH. There are 2 OH present, then the acidity of base is 2. Acid having basicity and base having acidity. To calculate equivalent weight. Now we are having proper example. Find the normality of an aqueous solution in which 73 grams, here is the 73 grams, 73 grams HCl is dissolved in 500 ml solution. So weight of solute is given 73 grams. Liter of solution given is 500 ml. So use the formula molecular weight of acid that is 73 grams. Weight, watch over here, weight of solute in grams, that is 73 grams. Equivalent weight, that is also equivalent weight of HCl is what? Then H plus Cl, H is 1 and Cl is 35.5, then it is 36.5, number of H is 1, so equivalent of HCl will be divided by 1, then it is 36.5. So we are given the equivalent weight of acid, that is 36.5 grams, and you are given solution 500 ml to convert into liter, divide by 100, that is 0.5 liters. So 73 grams upon 36.5 grams into 0.5 liter, answer will be 4N. N is the symbol of normality. You are given weight of substance, you are given the measurement of solution. Just put the weight of substance. Equivalent weight is the equal to molecular weight, because divide by 1 means the answer will be 1. Then the volume of solution is given 500 ml. We will convert into liter, then it is 0.5 liter. You give the simple form, then we are having 4 normal. Then the normality of solution will be 4 normal. Search more example. I will give more example in next lecture. Then we are having molarity. 1 liter solution is prepared by dissolving 1 gram into mole inverse of solute. 1 liter solution is prepared by dissolving 1 gram into mole inverse solution. That is molarity. Difference between normality and molarity was, in normality equation there is given equivalent weight into volume of solution, weight of solute in grams, weight of solute in grams as it is. Here is the equivalent weight, here is only changed molecular mass. Volume of solution in liter is common, volume of solution is in liter is common. You just change equivalent weight to molecular weight, you will find out instead of normality, molarity. So molarity having molecular mass, while in normality having equivalent weight. Weight of solute in gram upon equivalent weight into volume of solution in liter, that is the formula of normality. Weight of solute in grams upon molecular mass into volume of solution in liter, that is the formula of molarity. So change of equivalent weight to molecular weight, it is change of normality to molarity. Clear? Now example will be taken. Example is what? Molarity having the capital M symbol. You are given one example. Find the molarity of an aqueous solution in which 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 5 liter solution. So weight of substance is 4 grams. Molecular mass of NaOH. Molecular mass of NaOH. Na is 23 plus O is 16 and H is 1. So it is the 40 grams. So we are having the weight of molecular mass of NaOH is 40 grams. You are given solution in unit liter. So we are directly taken 5 liter as it is. So 4 grams upon 40 grams into 5 liter, answer will be 0.02 m. 0.02 m. Molarity of this solution is 0.02. So normality and molarity are very closer to each other. Normality having the equivalent weight while molarity having molecular mass. Equivalent weight, value of equivalent weight will be calculated by the molecular mass upon number of H present for acid, number of OH present for base as a divider or as a denominator. So repeat my video lecture 2-3 times. Kindly send me homework without fail. I will display the list of students who are sending me homework, and the students who are not sending me homework, I will also put the list in the group. So clear, limiting reagent, normality, molarity. Limiting reagent means less amount of reactant present in reaction. Normality, remember formula, weight of solute upon equivalent weight into volume of solution in liter, that is for normality. Molarity, weight of solute in gram upon molecular mass into volume of solution in liter. Difference between normality and molarity, just use equivalent weight, then it is normality. Just use molecular weight or molecular mass, that is molarity. Clear? So send me homework 2 times. Thank you very much.